up, dudes? Name's Brandon. This is my BMW E30. It's a 1990 325 IS Alpine Y2. Alright, so performance-wise, what I've done is done your typical 24 valve from an E36. This is a M52 V28 single vanos from a 1996 E36 328i. It's not an S52. I just put that on there so people can hate me. Specs on the swap are pretty much the radiator. It's out of a Volvo 240. Yeah. I'll start with wiring. I had a custom harness built by Cadunza out of, I think it's Wisconsin. But yeah, I have E30 and 3 wiring covers, and then there's the port for the OBD2 scanner right there. The mods I've done to this engine consist of M50 intake, manifold, and a hot air intake, 2.5 inch straight pipe, two-way sheet muffler. Alright, so once you guys hear what it sounds like, this is not a cold start, it's already warm. So the car is currently on crown control coilovers I built myself. I believe the spring rates are 550 in the rear, 450 front, using Camaro AGX adjustable dampers in the back, and Coney Yellow 325iX inserts in the front. Rides pretty good. Tires, I'm running 18mm Block Sport 4x100 to 5x120 adapters. Running BMW style 32 wheels. They're staggered. 17x8 in the front, 17x9 in the rear. 205/40 tires all around, but I plan to go with a 225 or 215 eventually. Steering rack in the car is from a 2004 E46, converted to power steering, kind of. It works. I could clean my... Let's go to a car wash.
In church clothes? Should we go to car wash in church clothes? Might as well. So what are we doing right now, Brandon?
Gonna put some mud on my car.
Sick, dude.